then I can crop it down and make a cute video.
What kind of video is it gonna be?
Well, it can be a cute one.
Oh yeah.
Stop!
Say hi to the camera.
No.
Say hi, Janisha. Why don't you love me?
I love you. Stop.
So you do love me?
I do love you.
Oh, that's so cute.
I love you. Stop.
Look at her ear.
Stop! Look at your fucking big nose.
Buddy, my nose isn't even that big. Look at your big nose.
Stop. Look at them big bushy eyebrows. Look at the unibrow.
Look at that mole. What? Everyone's seen that.
Good.
Look, I can see it through your hand. Ow! I'm just joking. I love you.
Stop.
Why?
You're being mean. Stop!
Woo!
We're never gonna talk again.
We're never gonna talk again. Oh my god. Look at this hair though. It's all gonna be gone. Damn it.
Why don't you take a video with your cat?
Oh, that's a good idea.